If you are afraid of losing your job to ChatGPT, let me tell you something. ChatGPT is just tip of the iceberg. There are multiple AI tools which can work like human and which will replace you. But AI won't replace you directly. A person using AI will. Be that person using AI. Learn art of using ChatGPT and other AI tools.
Today, we are going to see how we can create a Python calculator with the help of GitHub Copilot chat. Okay, it's going to give us the code so that the entire calculator will be available in a minute. Okay, so now let's go into the coding part. Okay, so I'm using this Visual Studio here. Okay, and this is the GitHub Copilot chat. Okay, as its name says, is chat. With the help of chatting, we can do our basic operations and it can give us the desired code. Okay, so as I said, we are going to perform a basic Python calculator. Okay, so we need a code for it. Let's do. Okay, I am asking Python calculator to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division by accepting input from the users. Okay, so this is the basic information I'm giving into the GitHub Copilot chat. Okay, so let's see. So it is the GitHub Copilot chat is giving. Okay, here is the pseudocode. Okay, so first it is giving the pseudocode, and then okay, pseudocode can help us if we want to do some documentation, right? Instead of we thinking and preparing, this can help us to document it. Okay, so display, welcome message, all these things are there. And here comes the actual code. Okay, you can do two ways. Okay, one is you can copy it and then you can paste it on the right panel. Okay, so we will do it. But before that, I would like to share an important update. Okay, so as you all aware that AI is taking over the world. In a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? So, well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will replace your job. So, if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Okay. You may be asking about the installation steps of this GitHub Copilot chat. Okay. So, all the installation steps of GitHub Copilot chat with Visual Studio Code and other AI tools will be explained detailed in our Be10x program. Okay. So, make sure your future secure with us. Okay, and join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. Now let's go back to our code. Okay guys, here is the code. So you can bring, okay, because as we need to do our coding part in this right hand side, okay, this right panel, you can perform this in two ways. One is you can copy. Okay, you can see over here, right? The next easy thing is you can insert a cursor. If you press this button, all these things will be here. Okay, so you got this code. So it is giving you print welcome to the calculator program, whatever it has given over here, right? Well, displaying a welcome message. And while true, it has used to while true option. Okay, while operation num1, num2. So it has given us float. And this is the main part. Okay, because a calculator should know whether you are going to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Okay, this is the basic Python calculator. Okay, so and it is next it is doing, if it is plus means it has to add the two number. If it is minus, so it has to subtract, and all the operations are given over here. In case if you press some other button which are not the part of this, okay, so it should give invalid operation. Okay, so here it is asking like that. Okay, so choice input, do you want to perform another calculation? Yes or no. That means at the end of the thing. Okay, if it is y, it will perform the next. If it is not y, it will end the calculator program. So that was, it is given the break. Okay, so imagine guys, in a short span of time, I don't think it's more than a minute, this code has been developed by the GitHub Copilot chat. So imagine, okay, so that speed and that friendly nature these AI tools are. Okay, so let me execute. Okay, so here is the run button. I am going here, run without debugging, I'm asking. Okay, okay, welcome to the calculator program. Enter the first number, I'm giving, okay, I'm giving 20. Enter the second number, I'm giving 10. Okay, so next, enter the operation. Okay, so how, imagine guys, if you would have done this on your own, you may need to think a lot, right? Unless you are a pro in Python, or unless you have lost experience in devising all the educational programs, it may be easy. Otherwise, a new joiner or a newcomer, it would have been so tough. So in that case, this GitHub Copilot chat could be a great companion for you guys. Okay, so I'm going with plus, sorry, plus. Okay, So the result is 13. Okay, guys, 10, 20 plus 10, 30. So see the beauty. Do you want to perform another calculation? Yes. Okay, we'll give yes. So this and all, we never thought, right, that it has prompted like that. Okay, so enter the first number. Now let's give 30. Okay, now send second number 20. Now let's give the operation. Okay, star. Okay, that is, and so 30 into 20, 600. Okay, now we'll give a error message. Okay, guys, now let's give some of the other operations which is not there. Okay, again I'm performing the operation. First number I'm giving 50. Second number I'm giving 20. Okay, here I'm giving the operation something which is not the p. Okay, see, it is asking invalid operation selected. Okay, so again it's made. Okay, it has made such that it has to ask the first number. You can prompt such a way that instead of asking the first number, it should ask the operator, and it should perform the as usual operation, like for what we gave, like 50 and 20, what we should do, that type of things you can do. So again I'm giving 50 and 20. Okay, and now let's give slash division operation. So result is 2.5. Okay, and last one more chance we'll perform. I'm giving the number of e. See, it is giving validation error could not, because we have given the e. This also you can give it, means you can prompt in such that it should solve the issue. Okay, you can make it the first number instead of giving this type of error message. You can make it such that it should ask the instructor to validate it. Okay, so I am rerunning it again. Okay, enter the first number 50, enter the second number 20, enter the third number. Okay, so I am just giving now again star. Okay, yeah, I'm giving now no. Okay, now we are stopping the operation. I'm giving n. Okay, thank you for using the calculator program. Okay, see, it made such that invalid operation. Okay, only this part it has handled the proper operation. If it is not from plus, minus, star or slash, we have given the invalid operation. You can make such that if this, you can prompt the GitHub Copilot such that the number 1 and number 2 should be a valid integer or float. It should not be a character part. Like that, you can prompt. Okay, that's I'm giving to you like a homework. Try out, dirty your hands. Okay, so that you will be an effective prompt engineer, so that you can master all the skills from the AI. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the session, guys. Okay, see you again. Bye. Take care.